Imagine standing on the bridge of one of the largest container ships in the world, knowing that this one vessel emits more emissions in a year than millions of cars combined. Now imagine transforming that ship into a symbol of sustainability. That's the challenge and the opportunity that lies ahead for our company and the shipping industry. Our presentation on our company is divided into four parts: our current position, context, opportunities, and the business case. Our company is a family owned global shipping leader operating over 760 vessels in more than 165 countries. And as one of the largest container fleets, we play a major role in the world economy but face increasing pressure to adopt green technologies. But where are we at currently? Our company is advancing sustainability with 15 dual fuel vessels and plans to reach 20% dual fuel capacity by 2027. We also have retrofitted vessel efficiencies, and we are considering future innovations like advanced propulsion techniques. But while progress has been made, we know that there's still room to improve by scaling low emission fuels, leveraging AI for optimization, and exploring carbon capture, which can drive greater sustainability and industry leadership.
Let's do a quick deep dive into the company's current model and emission hotspots. Container ships are classified by 20-foot equivalent unit, that is TEU capacity. Now, the company owns and operates 30% of the 100 largest container ships, and 6 new were ordered recently. Larger vessels demand more fuel consumption and contribute to more emissions, and hence decarbonization solutions are very crucial for the company. Now, to estimate fuel consumption per ship, we must consider many variables such as distances and port of operations. The mode of journey also contributes to fuel consumption, with high seas cruising being the most demanding. For our analysis, we have focused primarily on large container ships and ocean voyages, as 98% of fuel consumption comes from cargo vessels. Fuel consumption is estimated at 300 tons of heavy fuel oil, or as we call HFO, per day, based on comparable large vessels. Alternative fuel requirements are evaluated based on relative energy density compared to HFO. Emissions data comes directly from company operated vessels, with actual reported values reflecting Scope 1, Scope 2, and Scope 3 emissions for 2023.
We used our model to identify two opportunities for decarbonization. First, we recommend switching to greener fuels at an accelerated pace: 180 dual fuel LNG vessels by 2030 and 300 green methanol vessels by 2050. Now, there are some high upfront costs related to retrofitting the ship's engines and drivetrains. There are also some upstream supply chain issues with green methanol, but the emissions reduction, 25% for LNG and 67% for green methanol, alone justify taking this initiative. The second opportunity lies in the area of optimization. Industry standard practice of sail fast then wait means vessels rush to their destination port and then wait for anchorages. The Blue Bisbee solution recommends slowing down speed, reducing fuel consumption by 9% and slashing emissions by between 8 and 28%, and reducing congestion at ports.
Thanks, Shantanu. Now let's look at the business case and financials. We have conducted a comprehensive cost-benefit analysis spanning from 2025 to 2050. The two primary costs include retrofitting each vessel, estimated at $30 million, and additional fuel cost associated with transitioning to LNG and green methanol. On the benefit side, we anticipate significant gains from carbon credits earned or carbon tax avoided, along with a 10% green premium on the revenue of retrofitted vessels, which is in line with current industry context. Using prevailing fuel prices for HFO, LNG, and green methanol, along with year-over-year projections, and assuming 120 carbon credit per ton of CO2 reduced, our analysis reveals a net incremental benefit of 69 billion by 2050. The net present value of the project stands at 29 billion over 26 years. Moving on, our sensitivity analysis demonstrates robust results, showing a positive NPV across varying levels of retrofitting costs, fuel efficiency, carbon credit prices, and green premiums, underscoring the financial resilience of this initiative. Finally, our recommendation outlines a clear journey for our company: a phased approach where we first transition to LNG and over time move towards green methanol and parallelly adopt Blue Visby solution. This strategy aligns with both fleet readiness and the evolving fuel supply landscape, ensuring a smooth and sustainable path to our net zero goal. Thank you.